My recipe for traditional Colombian empanadas. Hello, my name is Paola and I hope you are well. In today's video, I will show you my recipe for traditional Colombian empanadas. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 pre-cooked corn flour, 2 1 teaspoon salt, 3 1 pound ground beef or chicken, 4 1 onion finely chopped, 5 2 cloves garlic minced, 6 1 cup potatoes peeled and diced into small cubes, 7 ground cumin, 8 vegetable oil, 9 salt and pepper to taste. The first thing to do is preparing the dough by mixing corn flour, salt, and water in a large bowl. Stir until the dough is soft and well combined, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. For the filling, heat oil in a pan. Add onions and garlic and cook until they are transparent. Then add minced meat and cook until it is brown. Season with cumin, salt, and pepper. Add potatoes and frozen peas. Cook until the potatoes are soft. Remove from heat and let it cool. Finally, to assemble the empanadas, you have to form small balls from the dough and flatten them between plastic sheets. Then, with the aid of a spoon, you fill in the flat dough. Fold it in half and seal the edges with a fork. To continue, you heat vegetable oil in a pan. Fry empanadas until golden brown on both sides. Drying on paper towels to remove excess oil. And to enjoy more, serve the warm empanada with ají sauce or your favorite sauce.